Today I am reviewing the DREAME Robotic Pool Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have owned my fair share of robotic pool vacuums over the years, and while the freedom of going cordless has always been appealing, the reality has often fallen short. Early cordless models frequently suffered from weak suction, blind navigation that left them trapped under the steps, or batteries that died right in the deep end, forcing you to fish them out with a hook. When DREAME entered the pool maintenance space, I was highly curious to see if their expertise in home robotics would translate to the challenging underwater environment. After putting the DREAME Robotic Pool Cleaner through its paces in my 2,100 square foot inground pool, I can confidently share my real-world experience. This machine is an absolute powerhouse, and the updated version brings massive improvements in navigation, firmware stability, and smart control that set a new benchmark for automated pool care. The standout feature of this pool robot is its incredible suction power. Generating an industry-leading 8,000 gallons per hour of suction, it easily outperforms almost every other cordless unit I have tested. Working alongside a robust front and rear dual brushing system, this machine does not just glide over debris, it aggressively scrubs the pool surface. In my backyard, we deal with a brutal mix of heavy oak leaves, pine needles, and fine sand that blows in during windy days. Traditional vacuums usually get clogged by the leaves or simply pass right over the heavy sand. The DREAME handles both simultaneously, lifting ground and dirt and heavy debris on the very first pass. Watching it climb the walls and transition smoothly to the waterline while maintaining that immense suction power is truly impressive. It clings securely to the walls, scrubbing away the stubborn waterline scum layer that I used to have to clean manually with a brush. +1. Battery performance is another area where this robot shines, thanks to its high-capacity 9600 mAh battery. Depending on the complexity of your pool and the cleaning mode you select, you get anywhere from 180 to a staggering 300 minutes of non-stop cleaning time. In my large pool, a single charge is more than enough to handle a comprehensive, deep cleaning cycle of the floor, walls, and waterline without needing a single pause. When the job is done, you do not have to struggle with clumsy, traditional plugs that wear out over time. DREAME uses a very slick magnetic charging port that seals out water perfectly and snaps right into place, allowing the massive battery to fully recharge in about 4 to 6 hours. +1. What truly elevates this machine from a simple vacuum to a premium smart device is its PoolSense technology and intelligent navigation system. Older generation robots rely on random bouncing patterns, hitting a wall, turning around, and hoping they hit every spot by luck. The DREAME is completely different. It uses ultrasonic sensors and three-dimensional structured light to actively scan and map your pool's unique shape. Once mapped, it executes highly efficient, organized S-shaped cleaning paths and specific zoning algorithms. This ensures full coverage cleaning with absolutely zero missed spots. This sensor package is also crucial for obstacle avoidance. It detects pool ladders, main drains, and stairs in real time, allowing the robot to glide smoothly around them instead of getting wedged or spinning its tracks in place. +1. DREAME has also introduced a fascinating dual control setup featuring a handheld LiFi remote and smart app integration. Because traditional radio waves and Wi-Fi signals cannot travel through water, the remote uses light-based LiFi technology to communicate with the robot while it is submerged. This allows you to manually steer the vacuum or change its path underwater in both freshwater and saltwater setups without any lag. When the robot parks itself at the surface, you can connect via dual-band Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to use the smart app. The app allows you to set custom cleaning schedules, view detailed real-time cleaning logs, and choose your preferred parking location for effortless retrieval. +1. The upgraded firmware version brings a noticeable boost to over-the-air stability and power management, making the machine run even smoother than its predecessors. Backed by a reliable design and 2 years of dedicated customer service, it offers true peace of mind. If you are tired of dealing with tangled cords or weak cordless vacuums that require constant babysitting, the DREAME Robotic Pool Cleaner is a flawless, professional-grade investment that takes all the physical labor out of pool ownership.